Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Python and PyCharm on your computer. Python is the programming language and PyCharm is IDE that we will use to write our Python programs. So this is the first step in our journey to learning how to use Python to automate everyday tasks. This video is for people who are not developers but they want to utilize Python in their day-to-day lives. You want to automate any task, any mundane work that you're doing in daily life, or just you want to learn a new skill. Whatever your reason, this video will help you to get started with Python. In this video, you will learn how to download and install Python, PyCharm, how to create your new Python project, and write a simple Python program for the starting. So by the end of this video, you will have a working Python development environment. This will allow you to start learning on how to use Python to automate tasks and make your life easy. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's start downloading Python and PyCharm. So let's go to Python website. So I'll share these links in the description of the video so that you can easily go to this page and download. So here you click on the download Python and you can download the latest release. If you have a requirement for any other release, you can go ahead and do that. But for starting, I think it's better to use the latest version. So for save side, I have already downloaded the Python to save the time. Then there's another URL. So this is to download PyCharm Community Edition. So do not go and download Professional because it is having a free trial and you will have to pay some amount to use it. So just scroll down and download the Community Edition. So just click on download and both of things I've already downloaded here. So let's go ahead and install Python. Just click on install now and check this, add Python to path. Okay, meanwhile this is installing the Python. We'll go ahead and see if the PyCharm can also go ahead in parallel. So this is the setup for Python Community Edition, PyCharm Community Edition. Click next. If you want to set up a different folder, you can do it here. Otherwise, just go ahead next. We'll create a desktop shortcut and install. So Python is set up. So if you go to search bar, in search, you will see this Python installed in your machine. So you can use this also to write some program if you want, but normally I prefer IDE. Okay, so this is done. We will run PyCharm Community Edition, finish, and it will launch PyCharm. Agree. Go ahead and read if you want. And this is the wizard that we get. So let's start with a new project. Okay, you can give it any name if you want. Otherwise, for now, we will let it be the same. And we'll ask it to create a welcome script for us. And here it is. So it has created a main.py. So all the Python files will be with .py extension. Easy. We'll add a new Python file. We'll give it a name, hello world, and let's write our first program. Just print command hello world, and let's run it. So this is all about setting up the Python. Thank you for watching the video.